Getting you a few bolts, babe, because you're a bit nuts. You can't come to Bunnings without getting a Bunnings sausage.
Do you have my phone?
Did you put it down when you opened the back door?
Why is everything going wrong today? Fuck's sake. This is the third and final layer. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
That's pretty.
That is gonna make it so quiet.
Yeah.
Oh my. Look at that.
Let's go. Oh, it's a little bit of a weird feeling, like dismantling your whole car. It's really a little bit weird, but it's alright. It's okay. We're good. We're
We
fine.
have no option but to
It's okay.
get it done because
No one's gonna know.
we have no way home. Good morning. Day 2.
Good morning. Day 2.
This morning we have arrived at Bunnings. As you can I can't get my finger right. Over there, yeah.
That way.
Over there.
That way. There it is.
Yeah,
There.
Bunnings.
Anyway, we're going to Bunnings to go get some stuff.
We have a bit of instruction list.
Let's go. If we're running, I feel like we're running behind.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna go get some 12mm marine ply,
Get
cut
it
to a certain length, get the offcuts cut. Gotta get some screws and stuff, and yeah.
Let's go. Coffee first.
Coffee first. No matter how busy you are, everything stops for coffee.
Nice.
You know, one thing about Bunnings is that you can ask any worker about where something is and they'll tell you exactly what aisle it is. It doesn't impress every time I come to Bunnings.
A few moments later.
So they're out of stock at this Bunnings. Fortunately, they have 9 and 18mm of the marine. It's 12mm marine ply, AA grade. But they only have 9mm and 18mm here. So we're gonna go to another Bunnings and we're gonna see if they have what we need, because this one is a smaller Bunnings.
20 minutes later.
Bunnings number 2. We're at Parafield this time, and it's a big one here. I don't know if you can get in there, babe. You have to go through the doors. Yeah, serious. We are trying to look for them, but we just run into another problem. They don't cut under 600mm, and we need cuts at 110mm. So I think this one here is the one we're after. It doesn't have a label, so we're not 100% sure, but I think it's 12mm. Yay! It's cat.
Thanks, mate.
Look at you go. Getting you a few bolts, babe, because you're a bit nuts.
Unreal, mate.
I think that was a good one.
Thought it was funny,
We have success in our sheet of wood. We now need to get some screws and some bolts and some bits and pieces. It's empty. What's with our luck today? It's poo-poo. We in luck?
Yep, that's them.
Yes!
But we need
this many.
Right, let's go.
No, you turn it on. Hello. We got everything we need.
I hope so.
So many bits. Can't lose the mud map. With our instructions. Can I get on? Can I get on?
No.
A few moments later.
You can't come to Bunnings without getting a Bunnings sausage if they're doing a sizzle for the day.
Do you have my phone?
No? You had it as you were walking out because I was like, you got your phone and you said yeah. Did you put it down when you opened the back door?
Why is everything going wrong today?
It's on loud, right? Ringing.
Fuck's sake.
A few moments later.
We found the phone, thank goodness. Someone had handed it into the information desk inside Bunnings, but it's fallen out of Scott's pocket.
It looks like it's been run over.
Yeah, it's fallen out of his pocket at some point, maybe when he's getting in the car, but the whole screen is all smashed up. So yeah, it looks like it's been run over or it just hit the ground wrong. But like the whole, it's all around the edges of the phone that is smashed, so it definitely looks like it's been run over.
I have an Ottobox case on it, so luckily.
Yeah, lucky. Anyway, we're back on the road. We're heading back to the warehouse. We were planning to already be back at the warehouse an hour ago, over an hour ago. So we lost an hour, and
How do I get out of here?
we're restricted for time today. You have to go all the way around. Okay, see you when we get there.
20 minutes later.
You okay?
I'm okay.
Everything's okay?
I'm fine. It's fine.
We're here, we're starting, we're gonna get right into it because we're running so behind time today.
This is the third and final layer. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
That's pretty. So this is the top layer. So there's actually a foam attached to it. Foam underlay on that, and there's a vinyl on top. That is going to look, and sorry, you're not going to see it by the time the floor goes on, but that is going to make the floor. Best thing about these, they're all pre-cut. So you're going to have, with the instructions, you have two for the front, left side, drive side. One that goes over like the transmission, that area of the back, and then the rest is another one. So we've just got to lay them all out, figure out what's what, and that's it, because we're only going to be using two of them because we're not doing the front just yet. So once we have some more plans for the front, they're all different, but they're all in the same box, which is a little bit confusing, but that's definitely the back, so they must have a system where they know what's what.
No, they'll just barcode, they'll scan the barcode and it'll
They
tell
have
you.
the same barcode number. Go in, Vicky. Only heavy for some.
Actually, not really.
Yeah, that's the middle. That's after. So we probably might not use that.
Second layer is complete. Now we're on to the third layer. What is the third layer called?
It's called an insulator, I think.
Insulated or no? What did you say?
Insulator.
Noise liner.
Foam insert and
Alright, we're about to cut it. It's already cut into shape. We just have to cut it out of its little stencil and then stick it in. Fits like a glove.
You know what we could do? Is use that as a template for the timber floor.
Oh,
Stop. Bitch. Snug, mate. Beautiful. That is gonna make it so quiet.
Yeah.
Oh my. Look at that.
okay, so a little update. The boys have gone to go get some more materials for us because what we have decided to do, which it just makes sense to do, and something that we sort of need to do, is we're going to complete the flooring all the way into the front where the passenger and the driver seat is, and that the footwell there, because the little issue that we've run into is we've got our 2 pieces of noise liner in, but if we want to get our 3rd piece in, it starts from here and then it goes under the seats, and then there's the last bit that goes down into the footwell. But the problem we're having is the wood, the timber, we got this morning for the flooring is going to finish beyond where this second bit finishes. So it's going to finish here. So we're going to have this whole chunk here with no floor in it if we don't do the front. And we're going to screw this down. So we want to do this one and done. We don't want to have to lift up the flooring to then do the front. So we're just like, let's just 100% complete one job and not wait until we change the front seats, because it's just going to be so much harder when we get to that, because we're going to have to lift up the flooring again, which is not ideal. So we're going to go get some more, we're going to get some more, the first layer, this tape that we first started, because we've run out of that, and then some more aluminium tape which we tape over all the joins. But yeah, so next thing is when they get back, we're going to remove those seats, pull up that lino that's there, it's just a few screws, and then we'll give it a good clean, and then we'll start laying down that stage 1. It should have taken yeah.
Pull that lever.
There we go. Is that what it's meant to do?
Let's go.
Let's have a look.
It actually wasn't that dirty under there. Hurricane Fabrication, if you're watching, we'd love a sponsor for those 2 new seats in there, eh? Ew, that's gross under there. So the plan is take the seats out, take that lino out, soapy water, clean it, do all the business we did with the back, get it all done, and then this way the whole thing is done. We contemplated whether we just do the back, like CJ mentioned, and then we just get everything in, but one job at a time.
Yeah.
I think I got ahead of myself a little bit, but we'll just take all this out, get it all cleaned out, and then at the end of the day, today, at least the floor will be done. So, good.
Oh, I didn't do. Oh,
it's a little bit of a weird feeling, like dismantling the whole car. It's really a little bit weird, but it's alright. It's okay. We're good. We're
we
fine.
have no option but to
It's okay.
get it done, because
No one's gonna know.
we have no way home.
Don't worry about cut it out. I've just gone up to it. Yeah, I haven't gone over it.
That's what I'm doing.
You going over it?
Keep it living there.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Okay, so we have just completed the sound deadening. All of it is laid down, done. You know, it took
Long time.
It took 30 seconds according to Instagram. Really, this took many hours.
It'll take 2 days.
2 days, well, if you combine maybe a whole day with the without any of the fluff. But now we're just putting that lino down, like the protection flooring that was there, and then we're going to put the chairs, the seats back in, and we're going to bolt them back to the floor. We will eventually change this flooring, but we need it there now, otherwise what we just did is just going to get absolutely destroyed. It'll be pointless. So it's just a protection layer, and then everything's a bit old, so we need to use WD-40 to get screws and bolts in and out. That's what Ryan's doing.
So it helps.
Next time.
Yeah, get it out next time.
They were a pain in the ass to get out. Yep, but after this, seats go back in, and then we're going to get the board, the marine ply board that we got, and figure out how we're going to fit that to the floor now that we've done the front. We weren't going to do the front when we got the floor, so we'll probably extend the floor back, but we have it cut, so we're going to figure out how to do that. So it might be in 2 different parts, because I think we're going to extend it further towards the seats, but that's the next little project, and we have about an hour 15-ish to figure out how that's going to go and get that down, and then we have to clean up. So let's pray that it's a smooth process and it all works out.
They must have a system where they... What?
Your head was cut off. You don't need them.